Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to link Facebook Marketplace to PayPal. So first, go to your Facebook app and select the market icon at the top. This is what we call Marketplace. And then click the menu at the right corner and select Settings. Then, select Ads Payments. Now, select Add Payment Method. Select again the next and enter your country. But for me, it's in the Philippines. Click on Next. And so now you can select PayPal or you want, but I will choose PayPal. And click Next. Sign in to the PayPal account you want to use. And then click Get a Code. And in the box, select the code. And then fill this given information. After that, click Add. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.